Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Florida resale certificate and why you need it. So if you're reselling products, you don't want suppliers charging you sales tax. Sales tax should only be paid by the final customer. So this Florida application also gives you a sales tax number so that you can collect tax from Florida buyers and file quarterly returns. Even if you sell zero, you have to file. So here's how to apply. Number one, go to Florida Department of Revenue site and open the online Florida business tax application, which is the DR1. Number two, create a new user profile with your email and password. Number three, start a new registration, enter your EIN, choose started a new taxable activity, and use today's date. Number four, fill in your business name and address, choose LLC and single member or multi-member. Number five, if you don't have a SSN or a visa number, enter all once so that you can continue. Number six, submit the application and watch for the confirmation email. So it's also important to note if you've used all once, forward the confirmation email to account creation at floridarevenue.com. Attach a photo of your passport or ID and say you don't have a SSN so that they can process it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.